Hi guys. Someone asked me to tell something about Bitcoin. Well, I know nothing about Bitcoin, but I do know correlations. So I think I have found a very nice chart that will predict the Bitcoin price. But before I go to that, I will first talk about some similarities between gold and Bitcoin. There are similarities, especially in the mining space. You have gold mining and you have also Bitcoin mining, and it's pretty similar. So let's say we have gold. And this is the gold price. When it goes up, there's the black line here, then typically more and more mining companies will start to produce gold because they become profitable. So what you will see is that the all-in sustaining cost will also go up like this. And yeah, because they have margin, so they are profitable. But when the gold price goes down again, then some of those high cost mines will, well, they will start to become unprofitable and they will go bankrupt. And then you will see that the cost of mining will go down as well. And this is also similar in Bitcoin. You have Bitcoin mining and you have also these boom and bust cycles. And I will tell you about this following chart here. This is the cost per transaction of Bitcoin. So it is actually the miner revenue per transaction. So here, for example, you have a boom, which means miners have a lot of revenue per transaction. So this is the boom cycle here. A lot of miners can make profit, just as the gold miners can make profit here. And when the Bitcoin price goes down, you will see that a lot of Bitcoin miners here will go bankrupt. And that's what happened here during the bust cycle. So today it's around $4,000, I think, to be profitable. And we are actually at 4,000. So only the best Bitcoin miners will stay alive here because the revenue per transaction is so low. So when do you buy Bitcoin? You only do that when we are in a bust cycle, which is in these areas here, when it's very low. And we are now almost in a bust cycle. So I would start accumulating here if this goes lower. So I think next year or even this year would be a nice period to buy Bitcoin. And you can see this also in the Bitcoin price. For example, here the boom cycle was in 2014. And you can see here in 2014 we see a boom, a little boom here. And then it became a bust again as the revenue of the miners is going down. Then in 2016 you could accumulate Bitcoin like here. And then it went back up into a boom cycle somewhere here in 2018. And you can see here that a lot of miners came into existence to mine Bitcoin. So this is the boom cycle. Then it busts again. And that's also what the Bitcoin price did. It busted all the way to 3,600. And this is now a perfect time to buy Bitcoin again. So every time you think about buying Bitcoin, please look at this chart, the chart of mining revenue per transaction, because it will tell you if we are in a boom or in a bust cycle. Okay, that was my video. See you in the next video.